What's up, Softail Nation? It's time to tear down! Let's get this thing taken apart, and if I see anything unusual while I'm taking it apart, I'll let you know. Let's pull the seat off and see how it looks under there. Well, they didn't even have those tight. Oh, hey, check that out. That's not disappointing, you guys. What is this? That's to make these LED tail lights do running lights, brake lights, and turn signals. That's what that adapter is for. So cool, we'll use it. That's all pretty clean in there. I mean, it's got some road dust, but that's normal stuff. The other thing that I like to see in here is that nothing has been rerouted or spliced. You can see that this adapter fits right into the factory plugs. That is a good sign. So yeah, I'm good with looking under there. Let's pull the rear fender off and see if we can find any surprises. One surprise is how tight that is. Sheesh. Get some persuasion. Nice. Bada bing. At least they tried painting the inside of the fender too. Oh, and look. The rear tail light bracket is welded up. So at least they welded that up. They did a pretty decent job of that, but all right, well, that's that. Okay, so really all I'm seeing is just kind of normal dirt and grime. So check it out, you guys. All this underneath here, that's all just normal dirt and grime. That stuff will all clean up really nicely. So I like it. Next, we're gonna get that wheel and tire off of there. Axle. Okay, one thing you guys want to make sure that you do, if you've ever done this before, you know, if you watched other videos, you know, but you want the spacers to be in the same spot as they were, and you want, this was the outside of the spacer that went right here, and this was the outside of the spacer on that other side. So what I like to do is I like to put them back together in the same orientation that they came off. That way, I know exactly where it needs to be. Let's take a look here, you guys. We see evidence that they kept it greased. That was good. Other than that, you can see some cobwebs. This bike has obviously sat for a couple of years. So, we're just gonna get her cleaned up, ready to ride. Okay, the reality is sometimes you get to working and you forget to hit record. Anyway, this strap is just holding it down to the jack there. But I am happy to say, you guys, there are no surprises. Taking this thing apart, you can see here, this is just kind of normal dirt, normal road grime. It's only got 20,000 miles on it, so, you know, some of that's to be expected. Did see some rust there. I wasn't real happy about that, but anyway, that's all going to be cleaned up. New bars. One bit of concern that I'm going to share with you right here, looking at those wires, I'm concerned the fact that they're all white. The actual kits to do handlebars includes wiring that has everything that is color coded. This is some remainders of a kit that I did on one of the last bikes. But anyway, that should all be color coded in there. So some of that might be getting redone. Anyway, parts are lined up. These are going to go bye-bye except for that pulley. That's going to get, those lower shocks are going to get blacked out. Everything's looking good there. I told you what we're going to do with the headlight. Anyway, I'm going to be able to get that stuff painted up real soon. Got a new fender coming. Anyway, I got her tore down, and I don't see anything that is concerning to me, which is a good thing. Like if you do, subscribe if you haven't. And it's time to start reassembly.